Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from GCash to Trading 212. So let's get started. First, open your Trading 212 app, and then from the home screen, you want to tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Then from here, there should be an option to deposit funds. That is where you add money to your Trading 212 account. But by the way, to do this, you want to make sure your account is fully verified. As you can see, this account of mine is not yet fully verified, so it'll ask for me to verify it first before I could add funds. But once this is verified, this is how it looks like. Now, once fully verified, you can simply click on deposit funds. But here's the important part for GCash users. To make this work, you want to make sure you have a GCash linked to either a Visa or MasterCard and make sure your GCash card is active and has enough balance. All right, so on to the next page. From here, you want to enter the amount you want to deposit. For example, you can type in 1,000 euros or any amount that you really prefer. And once you're on the deposit screen, you want to choose your deposit method. Just scroll down and select the card where your GCash card is currently linked. Card deposits usually have zero fees up to the limit and arrive instantly, which makes this the best option for beginners. Then after that, just simply confirm the payment and that's it. After a few seconds, you should see your Trading 212 balance update immediately. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and you can also refresh the app. And that's how you transfer money from GCash to Trading 212. Quick, simple, and beginner friendly. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!